Welcome to Word Explorers Abide. In this video, we'll delve into the meaning of the word abide through fun and relatable conversation examples.
Maya, I've been going through a tough time lately.
I'm here for you, Alex. I'll abide with you through it all.
Abide means to stay or remain with someone or something, especially in times of difficulty or need.
Our family traditions are important to me, and I hope you'll all abide by them.
Abide can also mean to follow or obey rules, customs, or traditions.
Lily, I know life can be tough, but I'll always abide by your side.
Additionally, abide can signify offering emotional support and standing by someone during challenging times. So, to sum it up, abide means to stay, remain, follow, or support someone or something through various situations, whether they are good or bad. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the word abide with us today. Remember to abide by your values and support those you care about.